Welcome to the channel. I'm going to teach you some fun facts about Italy that you probably didn't know. All three of Europe's active volcanoes are found in Italy. The three volcanoes are Mount Etna, Mount Vesuvius, and Mount Stromboli. Italy is nicknamed Bel Paese. It means beautiful country. Italy's actual real name is Repubblica Italiana. Italy is a republic. And pizza was founded in Naples, so thank you, Naples. Italy has more earthquakes than any other part of Europe. Vatican City is a country. It's where the Pope resides. It has its own government and autonomy. Italy has one of the lowest birth rates in the entire Western world. Pinocchio is a film, book, and comic first published in an Italian newspaper. Italy has a wine fountain 24 hours a day in Abruzzo. Cats, especially in Rome, are considered to be very sacred and loved. Italy has won the most best foreign language films. The University of Bologna is the oldest university in the world. J, K, X, and Y were banned by Benito Mussolini. Italy means land of calves. Please only drink cappuccinos morning time, never at night. There are more choices of cheese to choose from than anywhere else in the world. Venice is sinking day by day. Roughly 3,000 euros is tossed into the Trevi Fountain every day. There is a bronze statue of Jesus Christ submerged in the depths of the Mediterranean Sea.